So our case study is alternative energy sources. So before going to the topic, let us have a small discussion on energy, and we will have this discussion based on need. Okay.
Energy is essential one. It is very important in day-to-day life. For example, coal energy, steam energy, thermal energy, lot of sources we get energy. It is used in households, institutions, working places. It is more important in everyday life. Without an electricity, it is not fulfill of.
Cannot live or survive. So you can cite some examples taking this room itself. How energy is here, what type of energy is there. So you can have a discussion in this room itself.
So we can say in this room many LEDs are there, fans are there.
Okay, LEDs there, fans are there. Okay.
Say basics of the electricity is used. Based on computers.
Okay. So where the source is available to have the energy? We have a good one
Here we see electricity we use in our day-to-day life is taken from the coal and diesel consume high cost and also create pollution which harms our health. And the electricity we use for lights, fans, etc. Can't be consistent. It always happen power cuts. Then the LPGs we use for vehicles are very costly and cause pollution here a lot, which also damage our environment like hole in the ozone which makes entering of UV lights which is very dangerous to humans. So people requires affordable non-polluting energy which can be identified.
Okay, your based on our DD-based approach, your empathy is that you are telling pollution is a major problem, cost is a major problem, and then it is harmful to the peoples, and you are telling that it affects the ozone layer. So it causes depletion in the ozone layer and global warming. So this is your empathy part. So what is your next discussion?
So from this empathy part we conclude that we can use solar energy. So from we have seen about more wind energy, electrical energy. Nowadays they are taking from water also with electricity. So it's also consume more cost and more time. So from solar electricity we get directly from solar panels made by silicon. It's directly convert electricity to which we use based on electricity.
You are coming with an idea that you are using an alternate energy sources and solar energy. Okay. You have created a model for explaining your concept of how this solar energy is used and where and what is the need. Okay. Now you can let us describe your project with the applications.
So we can see like we have been made a silicon system. So it will be absorb the solar energy and set it into batteries and directly it's connected to the motors and the wheels will be rotated. We can use it in space too because for avoiding we have generating many of the electricity from many of the types like we can say steam energy. Steam energy we need excess amount of coal for generating the electricity. So for our we face many problems in the coals like we have to need more coals and the coals will be generate more ashes through the
After burning.
and it will be polluted every place and it will be harmful. For avoiding that problem, we have been inverters like solar panels. Solar panels is user-friendly and it is user-friendly. So you can move in any of the places and like it will be observed the solar energy and it will be.
Now we are using these solar panels and then you can switch on this. Okay. Now it is moving. So by using this solar energy, the vehicle is moving. So where these type of applications these vehicles are used? You have told space, and then it is useful in our geographical areas where there is no source of energy.
Yes, sir. It is used in many of the industries, many of the colleges, etc. Day-to-day life, we are observing the energy and it is very normal.
Yeah, you are telling that in remote places where energy cannot be transmitted, it takes more cost.
We can take electricity vehicle as to make
for many applications. So their transport current is known. So you can use this solar energy for various applications for vehicles and all. Okay. So now you can conclude the topic.
So, solar energy is the best form of energy in alternative to other energies. As thermal energy and other energies cause leakage by heat transferring to long areas. So, we conclude that it is the best form of energy in alternative to others.
You have concluded that solar energy is an alternative energy sources which is eco-friendly to